Alright, so in this quick video, we're going to run through the best camera settings to use when shooting short form content with your smartphone. So firstly, be sure to record your videos in the vertical position, and you want to use the camera that's on the back of your phone. And if you have one of the newer smartphones that offer different lens options, ideally you want to use the standard lens on your phone because this will produce the highest quality shots. So for example, on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, that would be the 1x lens. Now from here, you want to use the highest quality video settings that your phone offers. So for my iPhone 12 Pro Max, that would be 4K, and I can access this by going into the settings of my phone, then camera, and then record video, and here I can see the different shooting options. And for social media content, you want to mainly use 30 frames per second to ensure your videos play smoothly on the platform, so I set my camera to 4K 30. That said, the only time I use different frame rates on my phone is when I'm wanting to film some slow motion B-roll, and in these situations I'll set my camera to 4K 60. But now for my talking head videos like this, I also turn off HDR video shooting. But now if we go back, I like to also turn on the grid lines on my phone to help me better compose my shots, so I do recommend switching this on. Scrolling to the bottom, I also turn on the lens correction because this just helps with the fisheye distortion that can occur when shooting with the ultra wide angle lens on your iPhone. And just so you are aware, you can quickly confirm or adjust your camera settings while you're actually shooting by opening up the camera app on your iPhone and then switching to video. From here in the top right, you should see your camera settings here. So just make sure that before you start shooting, your camera is set to the correct camera settings. But now for those of you who are shooting alone and have no one to help you frame up your shots, especially when using the back camera on your phone, here are some ways to see yourself when you're shooting. So firstly, use a mirror. And there's a few different options for this because you can buy a mirror phone case off of Amazon, or you can purchase a mirror mount like this that attaches to a phone mount. Another option is just putting a mirror behind your phone when you're recording. Now secondly, if you're using an iPhone and also have a Mac computer, you can easily screen share to your computer by scrolling down to your phone's control center and then tapping on the screen mirroring option here. Now from here, you can choose any of your Mac devices that appear,